Did you know that stress can actually shrink your brain, or that it can weaken your immune system, making you more prone to illness? Stress isn't just a mental battle, it affects your entire body in ways you might not realize. But don't worry, we're not just here to talk about the problem. We'll also explore simple and effective ways to manage stress and take control of your well-being. So, stick around because this information could change your life. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into topics that impact your health, productivity, and overall well-being. Today we're breaking down the science behind stress, how it affects your body, your mind, and most importantly, how you can manage it like a pro. If you find yourself constantly feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or on edge, this video is for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's start with the basics. Stress is your body's natural response to challenges or threats. When you perceive danger, whether it's a work deadline, an argument, or financial struggles, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones trigger the fight-or-flight response, giving you a burst of energy and alertness. While this reaction is helpful in emergencies, prolonged stress can wreak havoc on your health. How stress affects your body, brain, and mental health. Chronic stress can actually shrink the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. It can also lead to anxiety, depression, and difficulty concentrating. Immune system. High stress levels weaken your immune defenses, making you more vulnerable to colds, infections, and even chronic conditions like heart disease. Heart and blood. Pressure. Stress increases your heart rate and blood pressure, which over time raises the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Digestive system. Ever felt stomach pain before a big event? That's because stress can disrupt digestion, leading to issues like bloating, indigestion, and even irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Sleep disruptions. Stress makes it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to fatigue, reduced focus, and overall decreased performance. How to manage stress effectively. Now that we understand the impact of stress, let's talk about ways to manage it effectively. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, also known as the happy hormones, which naturally reduce stress. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help calm your nervous system and bring you back to the present moment. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. A good night's rest helps regulate cortisol levels and improves overall mood. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and fatty fish can support brain health and reduce inflammation caused by stress. Stay connected. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide emotional support and help you process stress in a healthy way. Time management. Organizing your tasks, setting realistic goals, and taking breaks can help prevent burnout and improve productivity. Limit caffeine and sugar. While they give a temporary energy boost, too much caffeine or sugar can increase anxiety and lead to energy crashes. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. By implementing these simple yet effective strategies, you can take charge of your health and improve your overall well-being. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep bringing you valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.